What's going on, peeps? I'm going to be doing some stuff to this table today, my workbench. I need to be able to move it around. I still do store it up there when I don't need it, but and I have a small little fold out bench I use just for some things, But I use this mostly, so I decided to put it on wheels. And I'm going to probably use these. I'm going to see how it works. I mean, it's not going to have to move a lot. It just every once in a while I have to just move it around. So I think this should be fine. If not, I have bigger ones, or I'll get bigger ones. So we'll see how that's going to go. I'm going to make it so that I just have to push down a lever, and it's going to lift it up onto the wheels, and then I'll put some kind of locking mechanism on it so that it'll stay that way while I roll it. So, all right, so we'll get started. hard to do holding the phone. But shit works good, man. Now it's back to stable. Nice simple design. Hinge on that side. Hinge on that side. Kind of hard to see because I'm kind of crunched in the corner here. And nothing in the middle, it just sits free. And when you push this down, push those together, and it lifts it up. I mean, it only needs to go up a little bit. It's hard to, I don't know if you can see under there, but it's up about, I don't know, maybe 1/8 of an inch, 3/16. But works good, man. Simple.